for a property that you'd like to put your mark on and is big enough to accommodate multi-generational family, or just a large family, or even a couple with lots of hobbies, this is the property for you. It's called the Briars, and it's at Trevadlock, which is North Cornwall village, fairly close to Launceston, and easy access to the A30, which is always good, help you get anywhere else that you need to get to over the rest of Cornwall. But the difference with this property is it's very versatile. Underneath, the entire floor plan underneath is a series of rooms that can be used for workshops, storage, further bedrooms, anything. But it is just so different. It was probably built in the 70s. The original kitchen's still here, and a lot of the original fixtures and fittings. So you can take those out or enhance them, and there you have it. You've got a property with your own mark on it that will fit your entire family. I'm going to show you around the property now. Come and have a look.